Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to Hussain Academy. In my today's video I am going to explain about management functions. Management is the art of getting things done through by others. Let's see the functions of management. Different authors have given different managerial functions. Management is the process which brings the human and material resources together for achieving the organizational goal. In this video, I am going to explain about 7 managerial functions. First is planning. Second function is organizing. Third function is staffing. Fourth function is directing. Fifth function is coordinating. Sixth function is controlling. And seventh function is decision making. Let's see all the functions in detail. The first function of management is planning. Planning is a basic managerial function, and the first function of management is planning. It is a decision in advance what to do, when to do, how to do, and who will do a particular task. Planning is a process which involves thinking before doing. In short, we can define planning, thinking before doing. Let's see the second function of management, organizing. The function of organizing is to arrange, guide, coordinate, direct and control the activities of other factors of production like men, means laborers, money, with the help of that we can start the business, material means raw material for converting into finished goods, last machine. With the help of these 4 M's, men, money, material, machine, so as to accomplish the objective of the enterprise. The second function of organizing helps in arranging all the resources of the organization to accomplish the goal. Every business enterprise needs the services of a number of persons to look after its different aspects. Let's see the third function, staffing. According to Coons and O'Donnell, staffing is filling and keeping filled positions in the organization structure through defining workforce requirement, appraising, selecting, compensating and training. Training consists of recruitment, selection, training, development, promotion, transfer and appraisal. In short, staffing a process of hiring and developing the required personnel to fill in the various positions in the organization. The fourth function of management is directing. In directing, manager has to issue orders, instructions and guide his subordinates in their work with a view to improve their performance and achieve enterprise objectives. In short, in directing, manager has to guide and supervise his subordinates. Fifth function of management is coordinating. In this function, it creates a team spirit and helps in achieving goals through collective efforts. See, a manager must coordinate the work for which he is accountable by balancing, training and integrating. It is orderly arrangement of group efforts to provide unity of action in achieving common objectives. Let's see the next function, controlling. Controlling is essential for achieving objectives of an enterprise. The planning of various activities does not ensure automatic implementation of policies. Control is a process which enables management to get its policies implemented. Controlling helps in doing the work faster and easy. Let's see the next function of management, decision making. Decision making helps in all the functions of management. Like in planning, it helps in which plans to select. In organizing, how many employees needed for work and how much of capital needed. Decision making is globally thought to be selection from alternatives. This is all about functions of management. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe.